Hello.
Здравейте! За много години. You know what that means?
Mm-hmm.
It's like Happy New Year, but literally it means for many years.
Ah.
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
Yeah, if I was speaking to complete beginners, I would have said Честита Нова година, Happy New Year. But when it's just the first time you see someone in the new year, I think it sounds better to say за много години. It means like it's the first time I'm seeing you this year, so I, note the fact that it's the new year. Okay, so actually it is going to be a lesson about holidays. Would have been cool to have done it like on or before the holidays, but it's still something.
Technical difficulties.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ние бяхме... Къде бяхме?
Бяхме в България.
Бяхме в България. Беше готино, беше хубаво.
Да.
It was cool. Не беше много студено, нали?
Не.
Тук във Франция е по-студено.
Да.
Okay, let's just
Sure.
get into it. Урок 9. Стъпка по стъпка. Любимият ми празник. What does that mean?
My favorite holiday.
Exactly. So the first of all, let me tell you what we're going to be dealing with in this lesson, lesson 9. Public holidays. So we'll talk about various holidays that are popular in Bulgaria, and also the past simple tense, verbs of the ach, yach, and ich groups. Okay, first let's see some holidays. You should be seeing some pictures on the screen, and they are related to different holidays. So Alex's task was to link every picture to a greeting and to some kind of item or phrase related to it. For example, number 1 says Честит имен ден, happy name day. We see people doing na zdrave, raising a toast. And the associated word is ime.
Yeah. So it's a bit of like two exercises like combined, I guess.
Yes.
Okay. So the second one is Честита Коледа. Which means like Merry Christmas. And well, it's linked to Дядо Коледа.
Who is?
Santa Claus.
Exactly.
Yeah. Честита Баба Марта for 3, which is like Happy 1st of March, I guess.
That's right, and we'll be reading more about this Bulgarian holiday.
And it goes with Martenica.
Yes, this little item, we'll get to know it a bit better.
So 4, Честит Великден, so Happy Easter.
Right?
Yeah. And Boya di Sani Yetza.
Which is what we see in the image. What is that?
It's painted eggs.
Exactly.
Yeah. We just have chocolate eggs.
We'll be talking about that actually in a minute.
Okay. 5. Честит 24 май.
24 май.
24 Mai, which is like the happy day of alphabet, so happy
you
alphabet
can say that,
day.
yeah, like the Slavic culture and literacy.
Yeah, okay.
We talked about it, we had a big text about it,
Yes. Yeah, we did. Which is, well, azbuka, like the
alphabet.
Like the alphabet. Okay, 6. Честит 8 май. Март. Честит 8 март.
8 марте.
Марте.
I'm just telling you, the 8th of March is?
It's the Day of Women?
Yes,
yeah.
Exactly.
And so it goes with bouquet цветя.
Okay, a bucket of flowers, common gift.
Yeah. So 7. Честит рожден ден, so happy birthday.
Yes.
And that goes with торта и свещи.
Какво са свещи?
Candles. Честита нова година for 8, which is like Happy New Year. And that goes with шампанско.
That's right.
Which, yeah. And then for 9, Chestita Godishnina, which is like the happy anniversary, but as in marriage, right? Wedding anniversary.
Well, it could be something else in theory, but yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, okay. Well, interesting. And so the 9 goes with 20, 30, 40.
Just some round numbers to represent the number of years that people have been married. Okay.
Yep.
Let's see, what do we have? So we'll continue talking about holidays, but we'll start discussing the past tense. I mean, we have discussed it until now too, but we'll be adding more verb varieties, more conjugations. So the first one is a text about Budni Večer, Christmas Eve, which was not long ago.
Yep.
So these things that you see in the picture, we ate them.
Yep.
My mom cooked them. Майка ми ги сготви. Така, това е текст от Ива на 12 години, ученичка. Най-много обичам Бъдни вечер и Коледа, защото всички от семейството сме заедно. Сестра ми и брат ми живеят в чужбина, но за тези празници те винаги се връщат у дома. Миналата година отново се върнаха. Пристигнаха на 24 декември сутринта. Аз и баща ми ги посрещнахме на летището и се прибрахме вкъщи, щастливи, че сме отново заедно. Всички помогнахме на майка за вечерята. На Бъдни вечер, 24 декември вечерта, ние, българите, ядем само постна храна. Започнахме да готвим на обяд и до вечерта бяхме готови с всичко. Баница с тиква, питка с късмети, боб, сармисо рис и други. Седнахме около масата, опитахме от всичко. Пожелах на моите близки здраве и радост. Казах им колко много ги обичам. На следващия ден, Коледа, празнувахме пак заедно с добро настроение, пържоли и червено вино. Our dog is barking.
Yeah.
Добре, за какво е този текст? За кой празник?
За Бъдни вечер.
И Коледа.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if there's anything that could be new. Let's translate a bit. Най-много обичам Бъдни вечер и Коледа.
It's like what I prefer is what I love among most is Christmas Eve and Christmas Day.
Защото всички от семейството сме заедно.
Because everyone in our family is together.
Сестра ми и брат ми живеят в чужбина.
So my brother and my sister lives abroad. Live.
Но за тези празници те винаги се връщат у дома.
But for these two holidays, they come home.
They always come back home.
They always come back home.
Миналата година отново се върнаха.
Last year they came back again.
Пристигнаха на 24 декември сутринта.
They arrived? Yeah, the 24th in the morning.
Yes. Аз и баща ми ги посрещнахме на летището.
Me and my dad came to pick them in the airport.
И се прибрахме вкъщи, щастливи, че сме отново заедно.
And we came back home happy to be together again.
Всички помогнахме на майка за вечерята.
We all helped my mom for for dinner.
With the dinner.
With the dinner, yeah.
Well, yeah, you're right. Literally, it's for.
Yeah.
На Бъдни вечер, 24 декември вечерта.
For the Бъдни вечер on Christmas Eve. Yeah.
The evening of the 24th of December.
Exactly.
Ние, българите, ядем само постна храна. Good luck translating postna hrana.
I think it's doable. As Bulgarians eat only
I would say vegan food to start
vegan
with,
food,
but then maybe let's elaborate.
Yeah.
So postna hrana, postya means to fast, okay? But we, the Orthodox Christians, have a particular way of fasting that really resembles the vegan diet.
It's pretty much a diet.
Yes, but I mean, yes, we don't like not eat. We eat vegan food. Sometimes fish is allowed too. So basically, on Christmas Eve, we eat vegan food. And here we have some examples of traditional food that we eat on Christmas Eve. Започнахме да готвим на обяд.
So we started to cook for...
At noon.
Yeah, at noon.
И до вечерта бяхме готови с всичко.
And in the evening we were
By
ready.
the evening,
By
right?
the evening we're ready with everything.
Okay, let's see some dishes. Баница с тиква.
So banica, which is...
Баница, it's
yeah,
translated as pie.
Yeah, I would say pastry, but...
Okay, you can say that.
with the pumpkin.
Okay, actually there is a word for it. We say tikvenik.
Yeah.
You know, banica is just an umbrella term that we use for any kind of pie. Usually it's with cheese. Banica sa sirene. If you only hear banica, then it's likely to be with cheese. But banica s tikva или tikvenik, that's one filled with pumpkin.
Yeah, and I recommend
cinnamon,
it's my favorite.
Yes, it's very, very nice.
Yeah.
Pitka s kasmeti.
So bread with
Some
it's a bit like fortune cookies. Like,
bread with lux. With some kind of
it's like some messages, like
messages, or sometimes it's just like a coin.
Yeah.
One coin and one person finds
it's a bit like what we do with the galette de roi, which is we have something a bit similar.
Bob.
Bobs or beans.
Beans, yes. My mom makes peppers, like dry peppers, stuffed with beans.
Yeah.
That's very nice. You like it too, right?
Yeah, I like it too. It's a bit heavy on the stomach, but
depends how much you eat. Sarmi soris.
So that would be a rice like stuffed in cabbage leaves.
Yes,
yeah,
exactly. Pickled cabbage, actually.
Yeah, pickled cabbage.
Okay, и други and others.
And so on. Yeah.
Седнахме около масата.
We sat around the table.
Опитахме от всичко.
We tried everything.
Пожелах на моите близки здраве и радост.
I wished my bliski, my relatives, like
my
close ones, like happiness and
здраве.
Health and happiness.
Казах им колко много ги обичам.
And I told them how much I love them.
На следващия ден, Коледа.
So the last day. The next day, Christmas.
Last Christmas, that's another thing.
Yeah, great.
Празнувахме пак заедно.
Празник.
Праздник.
Okay, we celebrate again.
Заедно.
No, together.
С добро настроение.
With a good
mood.
Okay.
Пържоли.
Пържоли, so steaks.
И червено вино.
And red wine.
So you had to underline the verbs in the past simple tense. Can you say which verbs you underlined?
Sure. Се върнаха, пристигнаха, посрещнахме, се прибрахме, помогнахме, започнахме, бяхме, седнахме, опитахме, пожелах, казах, празнувахме.
Okay, excellent. And now we have some questions.
Sure.
Кога е бъдни вечер?
На 24.
На 24.
Да.
Кой месец?
Декември.
Коя година?
Първа.
Кога е Коледа?
25. 5 декември.
Добре. Какво ядат българите на бъдни вечер?
Ядат постна храна.
Например?
Като тиквеник, боб, сарми.
Супер.
Да.
Какво ядете в вашата страна на бъдни вечер?
Много различно е. Ядеме много неща, скъпи неща, като...
Скъпи? Expensive?
Скъпи, да.
Okay.
Като пиеме шампанско, ядеме пуйка.
Ядете буш де Ноел?
Буш, да.
Това
кекс.
е дърво, кекс във форма... Не кекс, торта.
Да, торта.
Торта във форма на дърво. Cake in the shape of a log.
Super tasty, yeah. And foie gras. Как е oysters на български?
Не знам. Не скариди, стриди, може би.
Стриди.
Морска храна.
Морска храна и шампанско.
Пиете шампанско.
И
добре.
по принцип не ядеме много на Коледа.
На Коледа, точно това е следващият въпрос. А на Коледа?
На Коледа горе-долу нищо.
Нищо?
Ядеме много неща.
Каквото е останало?
Да.
What is left?
Точно. И само това.
Къде бяхте на Коледа миналата година? Миналата година е 2023 година.
Добре, в Япония.
2023 година на Коледа?
България.
Добре, 2022?
Да, Япония.
Добре.
Беше интересно. Няма нищо.
Няма много коледни украси, коледно настроение. Но пак беше готино. Аз готвих. I cooked. I'm so sorry. Сега ние и картичко и джинджифилово хлебче казваме чао, до следващия път!